It's Avatar.
Looking high. Oh boy.
So yeah, before we start, in case anyone wanted a big, like a closer screen to your face, so you could more easily look at my screen share, there is a tablet just like this one out at the front, by where the spawn point is. Just look at the counter, and you will see it floating. So feel free to grab your tablet. And in today's session, we're just gonna be doing some Q&A. So for those of you who already have started working on some avatars or even a world, if you encounter anything that you would like to get solved, this would be a very good opportunity. So I'm gonna just start with any questions. If you do have one, please do step up front over here, and then I will try to answer your question the best to my knowledge. So, is anyone having any questions so far? Yeah, please do come up here. Let me megaphone you so then everybody can hear. 1 second. Here you
Oh
go.
no, they don't want to
Yep.
hear this question. I'm just saying I'm supposed to be there on my laptop. What's the URL?
No, not necessary. Usually during this events, I kind of show different things in Unity and whatnot. If anyone have any questions in building, so yeah, you don't necessarily have to be on your laptop at the same time.
Okay, but if I want to follow, what would you say is the best course right now for me? I want to follow along with you. Should I go ahead and open up my browser and be so I can try things, or do I need that, or just it's better for me
Yeah,
just to sit back and listen?
Yeah, my plan today is by showing the AI builder that is in game. So you probably don't even need your computer. So that would be pretty hands-on for you coming right up because we'll be going to a AI builder world, and you could actually start building directly right in the game.
Okay, so I need to be in the game then.
Yep, and you are already in it. You're the wearing your headset, and
So-
that's all you need.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I
So
just thought maybe my laptop. Okay.
yeah, sounds good. But yeah, so I mean, if
Sorry about that. I'll
if
try to ask less questions.
yeah, good. Okay, anybody else got any questions? If you do, please do come up over here, and I will answer your question before we begin. All right, yes, Barry, let me megaphone you. You megaphoned.
You don't need to. I just wanted to let you know that I'm recording.
Oh, sweet. Okay, thank you. Thanks for doing that. But yeah, today we'll mainly be in the AI world. So then, yeah, more hands-on for everybody. Okay. So without any other questions, I'm just gonna quickly show you guys how to get a AI world ready for yourself, so you could have your own. Okay, so everybody can see the screen, right? Just making sure. Yeah. Okay. All right, so before we start, we do need to go on to a website, which is the SideQuest website. So sidequestvr.com. And what you want to do here, and also depending on how big your screen is, sometimes you might see it all compact like this. Or if you have a wider screen, you would see the sidebar, which is the same thing. You just have to click on account from here. And then same thing, like if you do want to go to your account, it's my account down here. Anyway, so first thing you want to do is set up a group when we are starting a new AI world. So you go to groups and then create group. And then just name it my AI. I think I had one before, so my AI World 2. Name it, tag not line, same thing. create group. And once that's done, the first thing you want to do is go to the Banter tab. This is pretty much the same workflow as when we are building stuff using Unity. You always have to start a group first, go to Banter tab, and then you want to click Host with Side Quests. And once you have done that, you basically activated your subdomain for your space or world. And so this is gonna be our address to get in. But also it should show up in your Banter menu already. So if you go to your spaces, go to My Spaces, and then just look for that. I think I called it My AI World 2. Yep, so My AI World 2, having the exact same domain. But before we could actually go in there and start using the AI builder, as you can see here, it's all empty, so it's not going to work at the moment. So what you want to do is click on this button here, Enabled World Builder. Once you have done that, what it basically does is adding this HTML file in here. And if you actually look at the code in the HTML, it's basically very simple. Yeah, you could ignore the Cloudflare stuff. But basically this part here is basically telling the world itself to go get the asset bundle from the world builder space. So the WB, that's what that is, .ban.ing. So now, if we go back to our page here, it is basically ready. So what you could do is copy and paste this address and paste it on your Banter menu, and it should show up. You see My AI World 2, or as I showed earlier, you could find it within the My Spaces. So if you guys would like, I'm just gonna drop this portal down here. Not sure if you can see it. If you can, just go on and jump right in, and I'll meet you guys over there.
Field trip.
Yeah.
Okay, you went way too fast
Okay.
for me to get all of that, but
Yeah, no worries.
Hulk, you so teeny I can step on you.
you
me
guys
just hammer
just
you
want to
down
pick
on
him
the
up and
floor.
kiss him.
Okay, so I microphoned myself, so everyone should be able to hear me clearly.
Okay.
So as you can see over here, you should already see a world builder. Have anyone ever used it yet? Yeah,
I
a
tried
few
it.
hands.
There was a.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah,
Oh,
Raider girl.
I tried it. I think there was a world that said World Builder, and people were doing things. So I tried it once.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. So yeah, so basically there is a like a public world for anyone to go in and start building whatever. But with that public world, anyone can just delete your stuff, or you could mess around with other people's thing. So this is why I'm showing you guys how to create your own AI world. And what that does is once you're an admin of the world, basically because you created it, then there's some buttons at the bottom left here. It's called the admin panel. I think most of you don't see it at the moment. But basically what that does is you could lock it down for just admins. So then you could create your world and not having to worry about other people messing up your stuff. So right now, this is in public mode. So basically anyone should be able to use it. So any volunteers, if you would like to give a prompt, yep, Raider Girl.
Okay.
Yeah, did you want to
Yeah, sure. Do I walk
give
up
it a
here and-
try? Yeah, so just click the, yep, and then just say anything you want to create. And then click it once more after.
Create a cavern filled with translucent crystals.
Okay, and then just click it one more time. Yeah, there you go. We can see the texts. And then just wait for it. And you should be able to see a second button that comes up. So click to Gen 3D. So feel free to click that. But yeah, if you can see over here, this is the image that it generated using your prompts. So we'll see how it looks like. It might not look as how you wanted it, but yeah, you could try to create that and see what it looks like. And the trick of using this is, I would say, use prompts to create different pieces instead of use prompt to create like an entire thing. Because the more detailed stuff it is, it's easier for it to generate. Oh, and autosave is on. Okay.
Yeah, instead of an environment, just try a piece, like individual pieces. Okay.
Yes, exactly. So.
Do the worlds have capacities like Meta, like you're limited?
There's no hard capacity. So in this AI gen tool here, at the very top, you guys should see like a bar, and it's basically telling you how many triangles are there. I think the max, I don't know, for anyone that knows better, is it 1 million that they made the AI builder, or does anyone remember?
Yeah, about
I
1
remember
million.
I have reached it before, but I don't remember what it was. Yeah.
So once you
Once you
reach it,
get
can
close
add
to
other
that,
things that are not.
well, once you
like
get close to
AI
it,
generated?
your world will start to slow down for sure, loading in.
Okay.
Theoretically, I've never tried like saving all the objects as, like, say, I don't know, bringing them into Blender or bringing them into Unity and saving them as objects and then starting over again. I've never tried that, but that could be a potential option. I think maybe Vanquisher. I don't know. What do you think?
Yeah, you can
Yeah,
save.
you can
save items.
Yeah, you
too.
could definitely. I'm not sure if that feature still works, but yeah, there was a feature where you can basically create your own AI world in game, and then you could go into Unity, copy a strings of text and paste it in, and it will actually download all the GLB and everything and populate your scene. But performance-wise, it's gonna be about the same. But anyways, long answer short, it's basically there's no limits if you're building with Unity. There's no like how many tries or whatever that as a hard limit. But of course, the more triangles there is, the less performance you would get. There are multiple ways of optimizing, such as using LOD, which is level of details. You could also use occlusion curling, so basically hide stuff that you're not seeing, stuff like that. So those are a little bit more advanced. We could definitely, I'll find one of these classes and show all the optimization stuff once we get there. But yeah, so right now, Raider Girl, did you press the click to Gen 3D button yet? Because I still haven't seen
You don't
any
see it?
stuff open. No.
don't
Okay. Yeah. So yeah, it must be.
Yeah,
Do
I didn't see
anybody
it
else
either
see
yet.
it?
No.
No,
right?
that's a
Okay,
common
it must be this
thing,
auto
yeah.
save. I have to like turn it on and
Oh,
off.
okay. I thought
Let's
everybody
see.
saw it. It's kind of pretty. It's beautiful. They did a good job with the
Nice.
actualization.
Sometimes people have
It's
to
not a cave,
rejoin the
there's no cavern,
space.
it's just a crystal.
Yeah, I can see the picture, but I don't see the thing.
Yeah, you
So
don't see the outer,
try
the border. There's no border. It's just this center crystal sitting
right.
out by itself.
Yeah, I don't see it right now. So try something. So Raider Girl, you see
Okay.
this manipulator? That's how you would actually manipulate all the 3D objects. So you basically hold it. Oh, now I do see it. Yeah. So you
Yeah,
yeah,
there
you
we go.
point at it and
Now I
you
see
could
it.
like
Yeah, now I
move
see
it
it.
around and stuff.
There we go.
Nice.
There you go. Yep. Now I see you moved it
I
over
changed the
here.
size, the
Yeah.
right thumb button, or thumb.
Okay, now nice.
Rotate it, enlarge it.
Yeah, if you click in the thumb button, it'll switch to rotate mode.
Mm-mm.
Not bad
Yeah.
at all.
So
This
another thing is clicking in your thumb button,
characteristics.
so it switches between the scale mode and rotation mode, stuff like that. But yeah, let me try another one.
Yeah, you could
A
scale
full
it
body
giant
Mark
or make it
Zuckerberg.
tiny.
Let's see how well it can do this.
And yeah, it'll generate the image first.
This thing's in your face.
And that looks pretty close. But yeah, normally it doesn't do faces too well, so you'll see he'll probably have a pretty deformed face once he's being generated. And also, down here, right underneath the buttons, you should also see detail and texture resolution. So if you do want to have like a higher quality creation, yeah, that doesn't look too well.
Oh, look at the face.
So I'm gonna try to change the detail to high, and then I'll make the resolution to 2K, and try to generate another one. So yeah, let me use that manipulator for a sec, Raider Girl. I will move him. Thank you. I'll move him over. Oops. I think I broke it again.
I did not.
Yes, I broke it. Okay, anyways, yeah, so the manipulator, you could see there's like a red circle on it. Yeah, it's when that happens, it's broken. But anyways, let me try to generate another one to see what it looks like.
It's
with
working for
higher
me.
res.
Maybe it's just for whoever did the first
Oh, it's
one.
working for you? Okay. Can you
I
try
just-
to move
yeah,
this
it
Mark
works for me.
Zuckerberg around?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Gonna land him right on top and think about his head.
Okay, yep. Yeah, oh, there you go. Yeah, oh, now it did move. Okay. Yeah, I think they still need to do some bug fixes on it, but
Okay,
yeah.
so detail,
We'll see.
we'll put it at high.
What if?
You were
Yeah.
trying to move it to high. Okay, so I moved
Yes.
it to high. Text res 2048, I guess.
Yes,
Is that
yeah.
how it's supposed to
Yeah,
be?
for me, it's generating, so we'll see if
Okay.
that one's gonna work.
Okay, let's see if that works. I wonder if I put it back here, if you can use it. If I put it back right here.
No, it's something on 2D because I'm like on PC, and when I click it and when I hold it for like a second, it kind of just bugs out for me. Yeah, I can't really do anything with it.
Okay,
But
in that case, I want my toy back.
but this is this is taking awfully long. Oh, there you go. I think it just loaded. We'll see.
Now, I can't turn with this thing in my hand, huh?
That's right.
I
Right.
can move
So
forward or backward, but I cannot turn right or left.
It's the
yes, the reason
the
being
thumbstick's
is
the same
because it
control.
locks your
You
movement.
can
So
switch
then, when you
hands.
use the joystick, you could use the joystick to control the object. So then you won't be moving around while you try to rotate your object. If that makes sense.
Okay. Yeah, I don't
Yeah.
like that, but okay.
But yeah, if you use your left hand, then you would be able to still move around. I think. No, you use your left hand to.
Yeah, no, I can move the left toggle. It helps me move. Yeah.
But anyways, this one did
Yeah,
not
and you can
really
switch the
generate.
controller between them.
So we'll try one more time.
Yeah.
But anyways, today the whole thing is just mainly about the AI world builder. So I mean, if you guys want, we could head back to the regular one. So this is the main one. Everyone should see it. So feel free to just jump on there and yeah. Okay, so this is a higher res one. Okay, it's this is so bad.
No.
Okay, yeah.
Good to know.
Mm.
Oh, did they go back? They went back to the class? Let me see.
Oh my.
The image gets generated, and then you click 3D gen, then the next person could start creating another prompt.
And I was like, I'm out.
Okay.
So yeah, so I'm just gonna megaphone myself so it's easier. Yeah, so just whoever wants to go ahead and give a prompt, please do step up. We'll try to generate another thing. And then I'll show the workflow where I could also be generating something while the 3D is loading. So yeah, so maybe Raider Girl, you wanna go ahead and put in another prompt, please? Yeah. So
How do I get rid of that?
no, just someone said if before, so you just have to click to talk, say something, and then click it again.
All right. All mine is crystalline stone base. Sorry, everybody. Generate a labradorite stone earring. Earring. Yeah. Oh, damn, I screwed that up. Wait a minute. Generate a labradorite stone earring. Oh yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah.
That's hilarious, actually. Yeah, it's yeah. Okay, there you go. So you can see the image already. So
Made some earrings. Yeah.
How do I clear it?
It made
just click again and say
picture.
something again.
Yeah.
Oh, it did actually, though. Okay, how do I click? Oh my God, it's just shut up.
Now say how do I create?
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta click start and stop. Yeah.
Bling bling.
Start and stop. Where's the start and stop at?
The same
Just the
button.
left
Click
button.
to
Yeah.
talk,
Okay.
and then you'll click it again when you're done talking. Yeah.
Generate labradorite natural stone chandelier earrings.
Awesome. And then click it again, and we should see an image
There it is. Yeah.
soon. Yeah, so what you could do is once you see the image, yeah, those are beautiful earrings. You could just click to Gen 3D. So you could go ahead and do that. And while, yeah, so once you click that once, do you see some cats going around? Okay. Yes, so we none of us would see the cats going around, so that's local. So while that's going on, I could actually start generating a new prompt. But yeah, but these ones actually turns out pretty good. So yes, good question. If the manipulator is missing, there's a quick way to respawn it. So click this orange button over here, basically where the object manipulator is supposed to be. So once you click it, there you go. It respawns it. Yeah, unless someone else is holding it, it might glitch out. But yeah, now you have it. Yeah. So while you're doing that,
Not on, I
and
don't see
yeah.
it anymore. I don't
I
see the
moved it
earrings.
away
Oh,
so
there
that
they
you
are.
could do something else.
Oh, okay. There we go. It's pretty damn good. It's
So yeah. So anyone else would like to give in a prompt? Please come up here and go ahead and get the next prompt in.
How do I make it smaller?
Yes, so that's when you click the joystick in. So hold while you hold the manipulator. Yeah, I think you have it over here, the manipulator. Yeah,
He
yeah,
keeps taking it from me.
yeah.
Uh-oh, Vanquisher, wait a minute.
A bear playing with his telephone. On
Yeah,
the
it
toilet.
keeps shooting your weapons dead. Oh, there you go. You got it. So now when you click the joystick in once, it should switch the mode from like rotation to scale, and then point at the earrings again and push your joystick up and down. See if it changes the scale.
Oh yeah, it's definitely doing
Okay, that's good. I don't even know where they went. Okay, so a bear on the toilet. So yeah, so I could also click the Gen 3D. I think we'll see.
Now it was a white toilet on a white background. You can change the background color too, so it would show up better. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So yeah, so basically the 3D AI basically dismissed the entire toilet because it's like white, so it doesn't really see it, I
White
guess.
on white.
So yeah. So at the bottom here, underneath the click to talk button, there's also a background drop down, so you could change the background to like black. So we will try that again. A bear sitting on a toilet. See if it helps having a black background. Well, that's not even a black background, but okay. All right, Gen 3D.
Have they fixed the skybox and floor generation, or is that still not working?
I think the skybox is still broken. I tried that like a couple weeks ago, but let's see. So yeah, there's also a feature to generate your skybox, but so yeah, so you click on select your background, and then let me try to generate
Instead of
sky.
purple with mountains, right? Instead of purple with mountains, it would be whatever they told it. Yeah.
A beautiful
Can
sunset.
generate a star. Okay, cool. So I can generate my environment, I guess.
Well, we used to. Right now, it seems to be broken, but hopefully
It
they'll fix
might be
soon.
broken at the moment,
He's trying.
but
yeah.
yeah. So that bear on toilet didn't work either. Anyways.
That's okay.
Right, cooler in the toilet.
Yeah, so like I mentioned earlier, it's kind of easier to generate stuff like piece by piece. So if you want a toilet, just generate a toilet. You want a bear, just generate a bear instead of a bear on a toilet, because sometimes the AI just doesn't understand it too well. So yeah, so I just generated a skybox image, but it doesn't actually get applied, so it's not working at the moment. but you should be able to switch between. Yeah, so you could switch
Oh.
between this
there
bright
we go.
one.
This guy.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
but that's
okay.
not the one I generated though. That's just one of the
Oh,
default
okay.
ones. So there's
You
like
can
3
switch to
different
the-
default ones. Yeah, but the generated
Ah,
one doesn't
congrats.
work. Yeah, this is more like a Windows
We're in the back
XP.
rooms.
Yeah. All right. Anybody have any questions regarding to this AI builder?
So it just
No,
pops up
that's
in your world automatically.
yes. So
Yeah,
so I'll
you can
do
also
that
delete
part
them
once
if they-
more. Let me try to do it from here. So if I start a I'll go web browser. Let me undock it.
Looks like 1 million is the triangle limit.
Yeah.
Now, once you reach
Yeah,
that
for sure.
million, though, does that mean I can't generate anything else, or just only the crystals?
No, that's anything.
Well, once it
That's
hits
everything.
million, yeah, it stops it, right? That's it.
Yeah, you won't be able to generate anything. You might once you even yeah, once you get close to the limit, it'll actually sometimes slow down, and you'll be able to create one thing, and then you'll have to leave, come back, create another thing. So yeah, once you get close to 1 million, that's your performance is for sure going to start to feel it.
Okay, so can you guys see a big browser over here?
Your screen, yes.
Oh yeah,
Yep.
that's a big one.
Okay,
Yes,
cool.
we can.
Yeah.
All right, so this is actually the streaming browser feature in Banter, and everyone actually have their own personal browser, and you could also stream it for other people to see. So if I go back to
Ah, come on. See, I'm art imitating real life. I'm actually making labradorite earrings as I'm watching this.
Oh.
Come on, stick.
Huh.
Hey, Sabak.
Sign in with the code. Vanquish, are you ever going to
I
have a
have no
class
idea.
that
Probably
teaches
just
all
playing.
these little extra things like this, what we're doing, what you're doing, like just to show what it offers?
yeah, pretty much. And yeah, today my main focus is the AI builder. So then, for anyone who doesn't, yeah. One sec.
Get on there.
So everyone still can see my web browser, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Well, you sign in with a code. Yes.
Yeah, so basically what I'm doing now is just using the in-game browser and log into my SideQuest account. Yeah, now it is logged in. Yeah, so just want to repeat the steps that I did earlier of how to create your own AI well builder world. So once again, you want to start with clicking the menu button, and then at the very top right you see groups. So you click groups, and then from here you would see create group. So you just have to type in a new name for it. So my
And you can always change the name or the description later, so it doesn't matter what you put right now.
Exactly. Yeah, so you could, yeah. And then hit create. Oh, it needs more tagline, blah, blah, blah.
10 characters.
And then the next step is go to the Banter tab. Scroll down a little bit, and you should see the host with side quest button. So you want to click that. And right away, you also want to click the Enable World Builder button. So you click that as well. Yep, and it'll tell you that, okay, HTML is uploaded successfully. It's basically added this extra HTML file into your world. So now, basically, if you go to this address over here, that would be your own personal AI world. And once you're in there, yeah, the thing is you would see a little UI on the bottom right for you to lock it. So you would first see admin only is red. So in order to protect it, you want to click on the admin only and turn it into green. So then anybody else that goes into your world won't be able to mess with your stuff. And the thing is, once you think your world is ready to be featured, you just have to go to the Banter Discord. There's a channel called Feature My Space. So what you want to do is from there, you do want to go into real groups on your AI world page. So basically this page here, there's a URL that you can copy. And then you just copy it and paste it into the Feature My Space channel. And one of the Banter staff would feature it for you. So yeah, anyone else have any questions regarding to the AI builder so far? Yeah, Rooster, go ahead, your megaphone.
Yes. Am I? Yeah, Michael. Okay. If you want to have code in it, is it better to start in Unity and then add these features later, or not even do that? I mean, do you want to mix a? I'm getting a lot of feedback here, so it's hard. But
yeah, sorry, it's my bad. It's,
but
yeah, it's my speaker. Yeah, I'll just turn myself down.
Cool, thank you. Yeah, so if you're going to have a lot of code and assets, is it, well, for one, is the polygon count going to show up with the amount of stuff you're bringing in from Unity, and then you can add that? I mean, can you mix these basically?
Great question. So short answer, it's if you're gonna create a world using Unity, I think it's better to just use Unity with different codes. So, like for example, this AI world here, you could technically add JavaScript stuff to it as well. So it will work. So like FireRat has created a bunch of like mini games and stuff. So if you copy those code and put it in either your bootstrap.js file or like your index.html file, it would show up. So they would still work. But depending on what you're trying to achieve, if you're trying to create like a game, like a full-fledged like game world, then in that case, I would suggest you to not use the AI builder and just strictly use Unity with either JavaScript, or you could use Unity Visual Scripting. Those are the main two ways to make scripts within Banter.
I think the late show is a great example. How you used to generate assets every week as the random item. Like, it was basically all a Unity world, but you just occasionally had an AI generated asset inside of it.
or the
Yeah,
courtroom.
so about that, because Eileen used to have the AI Builder as an open source package where you could basically add to any Unity world, but I think she took that off at the time being until she gets it all fixed up. So it's not even in the SDK at the moment, as far as I know.
You can still have the
but-
AI world builder. It's just part of the HTML. You just have it enabled in the HTML, and even if you have a Unity space, it should still have it loaded in the world.
What do you mean, like you?
Like the
This
AI
is- this
builder
is-
is just enabled through the HTML. So if you
Yeah,
have that
but-
HTML saying enable, like
Yeah,
it should just work, shouldn't it?
How it would no, you can mix two asset bundles. So what it is basically just
No,
a
I'm not saying-
redirection. Yeah.
Okay, I thought it. That's interesting.
No, if you I can only show it here. If you look at the HTML, all it is basically linking your current world to the wb.ban.ing. So it's basically just grabbing the asset bundle to load in that world. So basically, you cannot mix two different Unity scenes like that because it's already a asset bundle.
That's weird. It doesn't seem like it's an asset bundle to me at all. It just seems like it's because the way everything loads in, it's all like kit
Okay,
bundles rather than
so
asset.
go on to your inspector and look at the this current world.
I am.
If you go
I
to
can see that
not this current world, the last one I created, so the 85bb89.ban.ing. And then just inspect the code. You can see it's basically just the asset bundle load, but it's loading the wb.ban.ing one.
Oh, they changed that.
It's always been like this.
No, they changed that. That used to be different. The way that it added the HTML was different to that. It didn't used to just redirect to the asset bundle. That's different. I know that used to not be like that.
Well, as far as I remember, it's always been like this. Yeah, the AI World Builder world was always just say redirect to load the asset bundle from the main one. But
Like, I remember
anyways,
it being differently in my world.
did that answer your question, Rooster?
Yeah, and beyond. Thank you.
Okay.
I do have another
awesome.
question.
Thank you.
What,
Yeah, sure,
what
go
would
ahead.
stop a world from getting approved besides like say sex and extreme violence or something like that? But like copyright stuff. I mean, what would disclude
Well,
your world from being accepted?
great question. Yeah, and of course, like copyright stuff, try to avoid that as much as possible. But I mean, it's not a hard no, because Banter, it is a pretty open platform. So unless it's something that is extremely like copyright infringement, then definitely don't do it. But sometimes I know people use, I don't know, models from different IP and whatnot. It should be fine. Don't quote me on that, but until there's a DMCA takedown, I mean, it could probably still be featured. So,
Okay.
what else? Yeah, performance. Yeah, back then we do have to shoot like a video and walk around it, and have to be at least 69 frames per second. But they have since removed that requirement, so it's just easier, and of course, if the performance is really bad, like once you get in there, just start lagging everyone, then of course, that's probably won't get featured, right? So, kind of common sense.
Okay.
Did that answer your question?
Yeah, definitely. Thank you.
Okay, excellent. Okay, well, Anybody else have any questions? Any other question? Either the regarding to the AI builder or just building in Unity in general, because we still have a lot of time for today's event, so we could always go back to the 3D cinema and go back into Unity and look at stuff there. So any other questions, please do step up in front of me. Okay, yeah, think about it. Let me megaphone you. Yep, go ahead.
Can you just show us how to bring in another avatar?
Sure, absolutely.
I did
Yeah,
one
so
yesterday, but I missed
Yep.
it. I must have missed a step.
okay, no worries. Yeah, but that one, did you put this one in yourself? This one looks pretty good.
No, it's already one of y'all's.
Oh, okay,
I
yeah, it's
haven't
probably
bought in
from
one yet.
Ghost Droids. Nice. Okay, so yeah, let's head back to the 3D cinema and we will do some more avatars. So please jump on. Yeah, go right ahead to 3D cinema, everyone.
Cinema.
It flips it inside out.
What's good, man?
Making it
Not much.
transparent.
How you doing?
Shit, chilling, bro.
I'm trying to figure out
And
why
then you
that
can
I've been
correct
good.
it in Blender, that front orientation.
Avatar you got.
What right, and I did that, and then it still flips it when it comes in.
No, you're
so-
talking about the face orientation.
Vanquisher,
faces.
before you get started,
So,
are we
like,
bringing in
sometimes
an
your
avatar
models
from
are
Unity?
transparent
Like it,
when you
it has
bring
to
or a
be
piece of it'll be
Unity when you bring it
transparent.
in, or is it coming from
When you
Net?
bring it in,
Yes.
it's
Yeah, so it would be something we have to add through Unity for all the avatars.
I know
But
there's a
it's
scale
created
height that
in
you need to have,
Blender and
which
then
is
put
like
in Unity.
180 or
What's
something.
Yeah, you could create it in Blender, or if you already have a mesh, let's say from Horizon, you could use that as well. We'll rig it using Mixamo. That's basically what the workflow is.
Okay, you're getting way beyond me. Okay, but that's all right.
Oh.
But I just need to.
Yep.
I just trying to figure out where this is coming from. Like it's not like she says, okay, here's my Meta Horizon avatar. Here you go. Put it in here. That's not what we're. That's not.
That could be something I showed today. Yeah, I mean, do you already have a mesh of your Horizon avatar?
I have a mesh off of it.
Yeah. So you have like your own model, right?
Okay, well, I mean, I have an avatar. I don't know how much of the model is mine.
No,
but
she needs to know how to
avatar.
extract the model from Horizon Worlds.
Thank you, Tansy.
She has a.
Thank you. He knows. He knows what
exists
I'm
over
talking
there,
about.
but she doesn't
Okay,
know
that-
how to get
that
the
we don't
files
do.
from Horizon.
I see.
Yeah, we don't do that part of it. You have to get the files.
Okay.
somewhere else.
Yeah. So that. Yeah. Okay. Good. Thank you.
I didn't know.
So yeah. So I do not know the current way of getting the mesh off Horizon Worlds. So if anyone do know, you're more than welcome to share it. Or I know Fire Rat was trying to work on something. I don't know how that goes. How's your project going, Fire Rat?
I've basically given up on that.
Oh, you have given up on it. Why is that?
Yeah, it's more difficult than I expected it would be.
Shalom, Ania David. Baudet sa leboti bang David.
Let me just.
You could maybe take a picture of it and then use AI to generate it.
Yeah, that's actually not a bad idea. Yeah.
Must be some kids in here.
I've done that. with a few avatars.
So
there is a way to bring it from Horizon Worlds, but
yeah, so for today's purpose, I'm just gonna show you guys how
Right,
to
there's
get a
couple
model
things
from
that
Sketchfab
have brought about.
and put it in that way. Yes, Tensor, yeah.
I believe a way to export your model from Horizon Worlds is you're going to need two people. You're going to need yourself if it's your model, and you're going to need somebody else on the world in edit mode. You will have
Oh my
to put
goodness.
you.
Sorry, 1 second.
Hey, sugar, where at?
She's
like
gone.
that. Where can I get one of those?
Yeah.
So what you'll need to do is you'll need to be standing on the grid in whatever avatar outfit you want to be wearing, and somebody else has to export the world and all the geometry. And when they do that, it'll export your Horizon model with the texture as well as the grid. But all you need is the model for the avatar and the texture of the avatar, and then you can use that to bring it through the rest of the steps here.
Aren't you getting into copyright issues by doing that?
Yeah, you would be, but
If she wants to come in and be calm, she can come back.
Not supported.
yeah, it's definitely not.
What they gotta do? Come sue me?
Yeah, not a. Yeah, there's no illegal way,
they
let's
give
per
you a
se,
cease and
to
desist.
get the mesh off of Horizon Worlds, but I know people do want to keep their avatars, and it is one way of doing it. But it's definitely
Right,
not supported or not endorsed.
Yeah. Besides, they owe me so much money. I wish they would come
I
out.
would do it. Well, I did bring. I did.
So for example, my avatar from Horizon Worlds, I did rip it like 2 years ago. So I'm not even sure if that exact same method works. But just like what Tensor said, mentioned earlier, you would need. Oh, I'm just seeing myself invisible.
Oh, that's the broken one that is
Oh,
attached
that's
to
the
the
broken
behind.
one. Yeah, so this is the. But yeah, I did use a
There you
tool
go.
to rip
That's
it
right,
off
yeah.
Horizon Worlds, but yeah, there's no right way of doing it, unfortunately. But if you
Jimbo,
could get your hands on your own avatar from Horizon Worlds, then you could possibly be able to import it into Banter.
Or even better,
Okay,
get pictures of yourself when you're in your 20s.
Yeah, well that. Yeah, there are a lot of AI tools out there like Meshy AI. I used it a long time ago. I haven't really tried it recently, but it seems that it's been improved a lot. So maybe even like what somebody said earlier, just get a picture of your avatar, feed it into the AI, and let it create an avatar for you. And yeah.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Oh no! Why don't we try that today? I've never done it using Meshy,
I was gonna say, can we try that?
yeah, let's try it. Okay, so Meshy. So yeah, Meshy AI. You guys can still see my screen, right? Just making sure.
yes.
Meshy AI. Meshy.
Yes. So Meshy, MESHY.ai. And of course, you have to sign up for an account, which I will try.
Meshy AI 3D models. Start creating sign up.
On my own. Use it for.
There's a subscription.
Yeah, but you should be able to do free ones up to certain limits, right?
Give me a free
We'll see.
version. Yeah, I'm in. It's free right now.
Yeah.
Try. You could so maybe later. So yeah, you could skip the subscription part.
There it is. Image to 3.
Then.
Oh, you get 100. That's not a lot, but it's
Oh, okay. My credits.
It may be enough
so
for
we'll
one.
see.
Yeah.
We'll see how many we can create. So yeah, so 3D to image to 3D. Okay, so you could use some of these. Skip for now. So let's say I'll find a any image, or we could even use AI to create an image and then feed it to the AI. So yeah.
As I said,
Girl, were
you
you
think
saying
about its
something?
image to see if it works.
Okay, yeah,
I
like
already
the
did one. I
Horizon
just gotta
World.
bring it
Yeah, I
up.
can try to take a picture of it. One sec. Oh, you know what? Give me one sec, because I know on the phone, on the Horizon apps, Horizon World
Yes.
app, or the Meta Horizon app, I can generate some image
Images
of
on
my
there.
avatar.
Yeah.
What you say, bud? Mm-hmm.
Jay, so mute yourself.
All right.
Okay, so yeah, so you guys don't see it right now. I'm just on my phone, and I can see my avatar. So let me take a screenshot and then feed that into Meshi.
Is it doing it in A pose or T pose?
No, it's not even that. So I
You have to
think
click
the
pose at the very
It'll
bottom and
position
turn
it.
it on.
oh, so you
It'll
could
position it
actually,
anyway.
but yeah, but I'll try to just feed it into Meshi as is.
Yeah.
So not even posing it, and it should be able to generate a T pose. We'll see.
Yeah, there's a
So
button
A
over there that
pose
says
is
A
arms
pose
down,
or
T
T
pose.
pose.
I'm assuming is when your arms are straight out and you look like a T.
Yes. Yep.
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, but if you want to have that
I'm getting
feature,
there,
you have
people.
to have but you're going to need the subscription. You see that little crown next to it?
Oh,
It's
I
not going to
see.
let you
Okay.
toggle it unless you
Oh,
have the
okay.
subscription.
Okay. Well, at least it keeps you in the A pose. So A pose is also supported. So.
The pose is not turned on. The pose is the little button next to
Yeah.
the pose.
Oh, it's not even turned
Grayed out.
on. I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. We'll see what happens. I'll just take a screenshot.
That's okay. Give us your PayPal. We'll put it in there for you.
Now this is what I do is you can use AI to take your image of your character and convert it to T-pose in the
First.
AI and then feed the T-posed AI image into it first. That way you don't have to use Meshi to do that pose.
Okay, that's a really good idea.
Yeah, there's
Try
a bunch
that.
of different ones available. I use Microsoft
So like
Designer, but
ChatGPT
there's
AI?
so many. Oh yeah, any of them.
Anyone.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, you just need to get a picture that you like, and then once you have that, you can feed it in there, see what it gives you.
Yeah, but you really want that T-pose because you want to be able to get the hands and fingers spread out so that you can get all the bones.
Yeah, I wish they automatically spread the fingers. I've had so many models that I just didn't use because the fingers weren't right. I need to start getting better at Blender.
Right.
took a screenshot of my thing and let me send it.
Oh, okay. Mm-mm.
Yeah, so basically I took a screenshot just from the app and let's try to use this and feed it to an AI.
Yep. Tell the AI to put it in a T pose.
Computer acts up sometimes. Just have to wait.
No problem. I'm multitasking, so this is cool.
Or slop.
One reason why I'll put the image into T pose prior to uploading it is even though I have the ability to have it turn into a T pose, when you add the texture, sometimes it might put the arm on its like thigh in the texture instead of it being in the right
Oh, I
spot.
see.
So using the
Yeah.
proper texture is best.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good to know.
Thanks, Tansy.
Yep. Yeah, your arms will be spread, but you'll have a drawn on arm on your thigh. It would be weird looking.
I wish I could tell who was talking because I know your voice, but I don't know other people's voices. Well, I'm starting, but
We used to have. Hopefully, they'll bring
Some
it
of the
back,
avatars will
where you
blink
light
when they
up
talk.
Yeah.
I just got disconnected.
Yeah,
Blinking
hopefully
doesn't have anything to do with
they'll
talking.
fix that eventually. Because yeah, right now only the old avatars would have that glow when you speak, but anything that we put in through Unity doesn't have that glow because we're not using the shader that they were using. Okay, anyways, we got that downloaded.
You have an AI right there at the bottom of the picture.
Sorry?
There you are.
You can use it. You can just right in there, click on that spot.
Oh,
Where
like
it says
directly
Blooming Garden.
on Google?
No, right there, up a bit. It says try Blooming Garden. You can click on that and it will.
Oh, no, this is a screenshot. This is just a screenshot from my phone. It's not an actual thing you can. Yeah, it's just. Yeah, so what I do, I would do it is I just crop this.
Okay.
And then I'll just feed that to the AI. Say, okay, put this person on a blank background. Yeah, because I try using that AI thing to create a blank white background directly in the app. It's keeps generating stuff. It's not even any blank background. So for this example, let's go to Gemini. Oh, you know what? ChatGPT.
Chat GPT. Yeah.
Then I'll just feed that image in there. I think it's this one. Generate that. Hopefully it works. Oh well, I mean that is actually pretty good. Okay, so let's download that.
Not at all.
Now we'll feed that to Meshy.
Since you already have that avatar, we should have put you in a
Just go to
thong.
workspace at the top. There's workspace up at the top. You can grab that.
Yep.
Image to 3D.
There you go.
It gives you a name. What to
All
say?
right.
Cowboy
Urban-
T-pose.
Urban
Okay.
cowboy T-pose.
Enhancement, multi-view. Yeah, so all those are grayed out. It's the latest model. And okay, so yeah, so it takes 20
Oh, and you use
tokens,
Meshy 4, not the newest.
and you get
Okay,
100
watch
for
this Meshy 6
free.
up there.
So that's so you could make 5 of them.
Okay.
It does say Meshy 6.
Cool.
Meshy 6 is the best one.
Yeah, that's what I try to
Meshy
use.
6.
Yeah.
So
And you'll
for
get
the
4
100
generation
free,
attempts, so if it doesn't, if it
oh
Now that'll give you the blank
yeah, go
model.
ahead.
and
and
then
so
you
if
can
it doesn't have the
check
finger
if it doesn't
spread
have the
properly,
finger
you could
spread
regenerate the model.
Right, you
Okay,
get
nice.
4 free tries.
Okay, and that's per model, right?
Yeah, or it does at least on my version. I don't know if that's because it's paid.
So yeah,
So
if
I
you
would
can
regenerate that one
see-
because the fingers are fused.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
I would put
I wish
and
there
I
was a way to
just
tell why
just
you
hit
could
generate.
regenerate
Is that
it.
how it is?
Yeah, can you put separate?
No, that
Or
little, yeah, there. Oh,
try?
unlock.
Is that
Oh, you gotta have
premium feature though?
Okay. So yeah, you'll have to use coins and regenerate it that way. Yeah, that
Unlock
one
free
would
retries. Oh, okay, I see.
Right, you would, yeah.
But then because I'm not paid, I would have to use 20
You
coins.
have to use more coins. Yeah, each time.
Okay. Is there a way to type in a prompt saying like spread the fingers or stuff like that?
If there is, I hope somebody tells us.
No, I mean you could kind
No.
of do that in the AI that you were just in. You can say
Take it back.
With finger spread.
Yeah. Take it.
Oh, your face looks a little odd there too.
So it doesn't generate
to
the
ChatGPT
textures
and spread the
until
fingers.
after, right? Is that how it is?
Right, there are another 10 coins.
right.
Yeah.
I see. Okay.
then
And
you get
also
full
your
return.
thighs are
Also
fused
your
together.
thighs are fused together.
Yes.
Oh, they are.
Yeah,
aren't they?
I do notice that. So basically, yeah, I just have to regenerate and hope for the best.
Or can you take?
Right.
Yeah,
Can you go back to
unless you want to try a different picture.
ChatGPT and have
Yeah.
that correct the image
that's what I would do.
and resubmit?
Yes,
Still
you
cost
could.
another
And
20
it's
coins to regenerate.
Clean it up.
yeah, is the 100 coins? Do they give you free ones every month, or that's basically it? You
I
kind of have
don't
to
know on the
make a.
100. It refills
If you
with the
share,
paid amount. Oh yeah, there are ways to get free coins. That
yeah,
Oh,
whole
okay.
if
gift
you
box
share
next
your
to it.
model to the community, they'll pay you for that.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, and there's other ways like joining their Discord and things like that to get more coins.
Okay.
Free
So
coins.
okay. Yeah. So this one is slightly better. Still not the best.
Mm-hmm.
We'll try
Yeah.
one more time.
If you're good in Blender, you can probably fix that.
Yeah, I can probably like manually fix it in Blender too, but that's
More time, yeah.
yeah. Let's try one more time.
Yeah, when they put it in A or T pose, I wish they'd automatically spread the fingers because there's no other reason to put it in A and T pose.
Right.
But they don't.
You can't see.
Yeah.
You can't see the screen. Go press the reset button. I can't see it either.
If it's completely
can't
black,
see it.
you'll have to rejoin.
I press. Oh,
Yeah, I can see everything. I can see.
Yeah.
I can't see it.
Yeah, sometimes people
There's a
can't see the
reset
screen.
button down there. It'll eventually reset for you. Reset way down at the
Hey.
bottom.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna get any better than this.
We're really glitchy. Is all these avatars in here are making the world really glitchy.
Yeah, too bad they don't let you write something. Helper.
Oh man, boo boo calling.
Let's see what it looks like.
Okay, so now
I still don't
let's
see
say I want to use this one, and okay, so I just go to texture, and then it will
You just go to the
generate this
download.
Oh, okay, yeah, generate run texture.
Texture right there.
Crystal meth. I'm gonna go there. It's very glitchy here.
Be generating already. And it automatically puts it
Yeah,
on
if
this
you click
one
on the
once.
all two assets right above it.
Where?
Just above it to the right, all two assets. On the right side
Two
of the
assets.
screen.
Oh, I see. Okay.
There you go.
I mean, it looks okay, but yeah, we can work with this.
Now your triangles is pretty high.
Yeah, that's like 300 something. So we will have to put it in Blender.
Yeah, there's a remesh button there, but it'll decimate the wrong thing sometimes. Your fingers will end up being just a
So you can
block.
download it as a blend file.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So only certain.
The decimate's better in Blender.
Yeah.
It'd be a good thing to show people anyway. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so okay. So if I'm not subscribed, I can only download models
scale.
generated by Meshi4.
Oh.
What?
See, I didn't know that because
Yeah, subscribe to unlock downloads of models generated by Meshi 5 and 6 without a
They took your
subscription.
money.
Yeah, so you can't even. I can't even download this right now.
Yeah.
Yep, they.
I do change the scale because they make it 10 meters tall, unless you rescale it. Yeah.
10 meters toward it. Yeah, it's not even let me change it
Oh, you came.
unless I
Oh,
subscribe.
But that, yeah, well, that's the
might regret
process.
it.
So you can kind of take it from there and be
Yeah.
like, okay, pretend like this went through, and then grab a different model and do that.
Yeah. You know what? I'll just use the Model 4 then, Meshi 4, and try to create one. Oh, and it's gonna be discontinued on March 20th too.
Oh, yeah. It's like 6
I
days.
Meshi
Yeah.
4. Okay, at least it only takes 10 credits
A week.
for Meshi 4. So it gave me 4 different versions to pick from.
Gold chain. What in the hell?
Tell if the fingers, yeah, no.
That will work.
Pocket polygon, fix, adaptive, okay, max, fix, hey. Damn. I think I can at least fix it to 10K. We'll see. So while we wait for that, we'll just go back to the Banter website to get everything ready for your projects. As I've gone through the past few weeks, it's the same process, but I'll repeat it just so for those of you who haven't got to see it. Oh yeah, so yeah, not the SideQuest website. You want to go to BanterVR.com, and at the top you'll see the docs page. From here, you could download the Banter SDK. So it gives you this link here. You do want to download it. And yeah, so I've already I told them about some of the pain points that people have been experiencing. So they did add some more detailed instructions here. So telling you that make sure you're using the built-in render pipeline. You have to scroll to the bottom to download the template and then install the SDK. There are a bunch of yes and close and continue buttons you have to press through. And then you should see a Banter menu appear that you could open the Banter builder. So see how our model's going. Let's see. Okay. Wow, it doesn't really look any good at all. But you know what? We will use it. Why not?
Let's use it anyway, see what happens.
Not letting me resize it either. Our mesh model. Okay, at least it's pretty low poly. It's 9,700. We will we'll use it anyways. So yeah, so first thing first, let's see how big it is. Okay, so currently it's about 1.93 meters. We could make that slightly smaller. About 1.75 would be a proper scale. So just hit S, and then I can, yeah, so 1.75, aim for. And now let's position it properly so we could grab, so G and then Z up, so it's leveled. And it's probably recommended, as you can see, the center point is like right here, right now. I can set the origin to the 3D cursor. So then it knows the center point is right there now. Okay. Yeah, I think it's facing the correct way already. So you want Z, of course, up, and then Y is the back. It's supposed to be facing Y minus, so which is correct. And now we do want to change all the scales back to 1. Why I'm doing this is because Banter is pretty picky with the scaling. Anything that is not 1, it sometimes would behave unexpectedly. So what I would do is just click on the mesh now, make sure I have the correct height that I want. Now I go Control A to apply all transform. So now it automatically sets everything back to 1. And yeah, it's just one mesh. So we can just export this and put it into Mixamo. So I go to export FBX. And here, what you could do is you could also copy the path mode to copy, so that it also keeps the texture in it. Hopefully, sometimes it doesn't work depending on what the shader's like. But I'll just do that, and then also in here, apply scaling. You want to set that to FBX unit scale. And that's everything. And then export. So now, yep, I have this FBX file. Yeah, okay, yeah, it did keep the texture with it. So what I want to do now, it's go to Mixamo, mixamo.com. It is a Adobe product, but it is free, so you just have to make sure you're logged into an Adobe account. If you don't have one, just sign up for one.
Okay.
Yeah, so this one I did it with my Atro mesh that I was able to get from Horizon Worlds, but we will upload a new one. using the FBX we just created. Okay, and just hit next. Put the chin to where the chin is, your wrist, elbow.
Oh, wow.
Hit next, and it will does its magic to rig it for you. Okay, so as you can see the model moving and all
That's so
that.
cool.
But yes, the fingers are fused together, but it is what it is. And we will be seeing some errors later on, and I'll show you guys how to bypass those as well. So let's hit next. Yeah, so it is already in a T pose. But I think we might still have some issue with it if we just use it as is. We'll see. So Fire Rat, with your A pose to T pose thing, do you basically put the T pose into A pose using your plugin?
Yeah, that T to A pose converter seems to work well. I'm actually working on a version of it which will pose it more like the proper Ready Player Me armature instead of just the arms.
Okay. We can give that a try. Instead of using the animation way to see how well it works. What was the thing called again?
T to A pose converter. One thing I really like about it is how it works with meshes that have what do you call blend shapes, and then it also works when you try to apply the scaling. And you know how sometimes when you apply the scaling and the armature moves, like the mesh will move and the armature will move in Blender. Like this plugin will
Yeah.
fix that problem.
Okay.
Converter.
I don't think it works on Blender 4.5 though. I found it works on 4.2.
I'm using 5.0.
Okay. It might, I don't know, but yeah, it does work on 4.2. It might not
What
work
was
on
the
any
name of the
versions.
creator?
Let me have a look. Cat Hut.
Cat Hunt.
Cat Hut. T to A pose converter. Cat Hut.
CAT or KAT?
I don't. So yeah, T to A, like the letter T, the number 2, and then A, and Cat Hut, like just one word, cat, and then hut.
CATHUT?
Do you spell the cat with a C or a K?
It's CAT.
HUT.
Yeah, I don't know. I just sent you the link again on Discord.
I'll post. Okay. Okay, so Cat Hut's T to A pose converter.
Yeah.
This one.
So, yeah. Installing it's a little bit annoying as well. This is also why I'm making a forked version of it. But you have to download the code and then extract
No, it's not me.
and then you have to make a new zip from the folder that's inside of it.
It might be.
Oh, I see. Cause it's just this, right? can't
Yeah,
just use
like
this
it's not following.
zip.
It's okay. Sounds good.
Does it work for Blender 5?
I don't think so. Like I said, I didn't work when I tried it on 4.5. I think it works on 4.2.
So basically, I have to extract that first, and then I have to zip the actual folder.
Yeah. Exactly. Like you just you zip the that one little folder inside of it.
Roxy, that is not food. You're gonna break a tooth. That out. Nice.
Yeah. Okay, so now how do you use this? I add this the
So
model
in
into
the top.
second. Yeah, so we have our model. Let's just download this as a T-pose with FBX. This one here. Okay, so what do we do now?
So that little arrow that's left to bring out that little panel. Yeah, underneath there, it's next to the red X. Oh shit! My browser, it doesn't like seeing the video thing. I have to keep reloading the browser.
Yeah, you just reloaded. So
Oh yeah, but so Cat Hot is one of those options there down the bottom, maybe. Yeah, and then you just basically click detect bones. It should automatically detect a couple of them. I always have to choose the upper ones myself. So like the left and right, Mixamo. You can just click in the box there and it will come up with the thing. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And you can type in right as well and it should filter it. But yeah. Yeah. But so you want the upper, like, so what do they call it? They call it just like left and right, don't they call it? Like, yeah, left arm, right arm. That's the one you want.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you just click convert pose, and then you set pose as rest pose. Oh wait, sorry, undo that. You needed to change the A to T to A first. Yeah, that's it. And then set as rest pose to make sure it actually applies the pose.
Okay.
And that's
We'll see. Yeah. Okay. This is kind of one extra step because using the animation is actually faster in my opinion, but because I don't have to put it back into Blender.
Yeah, I mean, like,
We'll
the
see.
animation messes it up, though. Like, it doesn't really... It's not the proper way of doing
I
it.
don't know. The thing is, for me, they actually look better, but we'll see. We'll do both. So yeah. So we'll use this one, and then also the other way is by using animation. So all I have to do is go to here, search for warrior, idle. Let's download this. Yeah, to change anything. So now we have two versions to see how they look. Okay, so back to our Unity things. So now we have Unity project. I'll close that one. Yeah, just for time's sake, I'm not gonna redo the Unity SDK and all that. I'm just gonna start using this one. Just name it Avatar. Put both of those. So this is the A pose one, or not this one. Oh, I haven't exported. Right. Okay, so let me export this one.
Well, this was great, but I'm bowing out because I am new to all this, and this is starting to get overwhelming.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah,
But,
thanks for coming.
but thank you guys.
Yeah, no
I'm
problem.
gonna
It does
practice
get more
the first
technical,
part
so.
I learned, and then and then one day I'll come back and I'll tackle this part.
Sounds good.
Thanks.
Have a good one. Thanks for coming. Okay, so now we have the A pose one and then the warrior idle one with animation. So now we have the two different models, and we'll see how they both look. Scene. It's the A pose. The scene, co-warrior pose. Okay, so let's try the A pose one first. And okay, yeah, so the as you can see, the material was not attached, so we do or the texture was not attached, so we do have to extract it ourselves, which we can just go here, image editor, this one here, image. Both of those models should be using the same texture because they are the same UV map. So first thing first, you do always want to click on the avatar that you're importing and then click extract materials. So then you would be able to actually edit the material. So we'll drag the avatar in. We just have to fix the material by adding the texture map into it. And before we drag it into here in order to build our avatar, it's not going to let you do that unless you unpack it. So go to here, right click, prefab, unpack completely. So now I can drag this in. And as you can see right now, it's going to be giving us a bunch of error. Yeah, it's just saying, oh, it's missing a bunch of bones. So I don't know if anyone has created a script to easily add those yet. I don't know, have you done anything about that, FireRat?
I haven't ever needed to, but
Okay.
yeah.
Yep, that's fine. So usually what I do is I just manually create those. So I would just add them underneath the hip. So I just right click, create empty, and then start naming them the same. So like so, and then you need 3 of those. I mean, it doesn't really matter where you put them, but yeah, I just basically keep them all at 0, right under the hip parent, hips. Okay, and then left hand ring 1, 2, 3. Left hand middle 1, 2, 3.
And you won't have this issue if you had all the fingers. If the fingers were spread out, this shouldn't happen.
Exactly.
It's
Yeah.
just because it recognized it as one finger.
Yeah. Or sometimes maybe you have a different character which is like wearing a glove or something like that. Then it will try to put all your bones into one as well. Then in that case, you would have to do this. But yeah, if you have a proper mesh with like 5 separate fingers, then you shouldn't be needing to do this.
Well, it's amazing how much it rigs for you.
I mean,
yeah, so you got all the left hand ones, and then
So Dan, what could they have done different to get the fingers to look better, spread them out more? At what point in the workflow?
Well, when I'm generating
Well,
models, I'll keep
yeah.
generating until I can find one that does it properly. If not, I'll go into Blender and I'll cut it and spread it.
What about when you're making the AI image? Can you spread out the fingers there?
That usually helps. You can say with 5 digits on each hand, and it'll usually kind of like curl the fingers so you can kind of see them all. It'll like kind of flare the hand out, and that helps the mesh sheet to identify those as separate fingers.
Yeah, sometimes on Meshy, I'll actually have the hands out and facing forward, and you can see all 5 fingers. But then when it puts it in T pose, they're together and they're out to the side. Yeah, so I still have to fix them sometimes, but usually I'll regenerate a couple times, and it will often fix the fingers in one of them.
Okay, so now we have all the missing bones that it was asking for. So now when I drag the same model into the builder again, it's not gonna say that, oh, you're missing all these bones. So this is kind of a hacky way of get around it, but It is what it is. So normally it will ask you for a head mesh. I did not separate my head, so I wouldn't have one. Ultimately, you do want to have a separate head mesh so you could add device seams and whatnot for the mouth movement. But with this meshy one, I'm not gonna even bother. So yeah, so just turn that off, and then it'll ask for the eye center position. When you click it, it'll usually put it around where the neck is. And I would just go ahead and try to position it right in front of where the eyes are supposed to be. So that's good enough. Then the foot, it'll be something like this. So you just have to hit change and then reset rotation. And now you could put it like slightly underneath. And depends on how big your avatar is. Sometimes you might have to put it down lower in order for other people to not see your foot in the ground. But for now, I'll just leave it like this. Same thing for the right one. You just hit the reset rotation and then mirror the left position. So it also puts it right down where it's supposed to be. You can make this public or not public from here, and we'll just build it right now. And after this one, I'll try to use the one with the animation to see if it looks any difference. Okay, so yeah, so I just changed into it, and as you can see, because I didn't say that I have a head mesh, it actually keeps my hat in there. So ultimately, you probably want to separate your head, so then if you have any hats or anything like that, it won't be blocking your view. Those of you who want to see what it looks like from my end. Yeah, but then also, like, the hand looks kind of weird, but
The hands do look really
I'll-
good, and the shoulders are really pinched. I'm not sure if it's the mesh itself. I didn't see the other version properly.
So-
but, yeah.
So let's try using the animation version. It usually fixes all of that, so we'll see.
Isn't this the animation
But-
version?
No, this is the A post version.
This is the A post version, yeah. But it was a pretty rough model, but yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, I mean the model is pretty bad to begin with, but let's just see if I use the other one, see if it looks better.
I also noticed the thing that you could fix if like your model comes in and the feet aren't facing forward, like let's say they're kind of turned out a little bit or turned way out.
Mhm.
You can go to the bottom view and you can rotate the green circle to line up the toe.
Oh, I see. So like here you could you rotate this.
Yeah, you just want to match the toe. So
Oh, I see.
this one's facing
Okay, that's-
forward, but if you had a different model,
Yeah. So like
That-
kind of go like
right.
that, right?
So
Okay, that's good to know.
Right.
yes, so that'll help with ankles that roll in.
Yeah. Okay. That's cool. Thank you. Okay, so now let's just try using the warrior pose one to see if it would fix those weird hand and shoulder and whatnot. Yeah, and same thing, like if you want to extract a material, you could do that, and then it'll have the material where you could edit it. But it should be the same material as the other one, so I'm just gonna use that. Fill it in. Same thing, I have to unpack
You're gonna have to do the
completely.
fingers again.
Yep, which is fine because I can basically copy and paste from my other scene because I did save that one. So same thing, if I try to drag this one in now, it's gonna say that I'm missing a bunch of those. So it's kind of nice if you do have just one project for all your avatars, then you could just quickly copy them from the other one. Pips hierarchy. So they're not in proper position, which is fine. I mean, it doesn't really matter. But I will just keep them all in 0. So now when I drag this in, it's not gonna give me those errors anymore. Head object. So now same thing. Position my eyes. Same thing for the foot. Rotate. As Tanser was saying, sometimes if it looks off, maybe that would help. Okay, and I also have to manually. Okay, so now let's upload this one to see if it looks any better.
Go on. Okay.
So I changed.
I mean, I think the model itself is just messed up. Like your wrists are really messed up if you did change.
Yeah. Well, we'll see if that one's a little bit different. No, I haven't changed yet.
Thank goodness.
I might have to restart the game because sometimes it does that. Yeah, just have to restart it. I'll be right back.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Oh, okay. See, don't you like when people keep your name in their mouth?
Does anybody know if he's recording it? This session?
Yeah,
I think Barry's
he
recording.
I mentioned Barry's recording.
Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
he is.
And y'all
And
put
in
it on the
Discord,
Discord?
it'll be posted. Yeah.
Okay, very cool. I've been recording it, but with Meta, it doesn't like tell you when it stops recording. So if you're not watching that little dot, you kind of lose a little bit.
Barry has been recording and is continuing to record. He's now going to come to the front.
Thank you, Barry.
We love you.
Very nice.
Well done,
Very
Barry.
nice.
Well done.
Thank you, Barry.
Thank you,
It'll all
Barry.
come about later
Yeah,
on.
thanks, Barry.
Mhm.
there's also recordings from previous classes that you can see in there that will have
Oh, cool.
other
All right.
links.
So yeah, so
Very
we
cool.
did that
That
build
has
this
all the
time.
videos.
So yeah, as you can see, the hand is no more messed up because I'm using the animation version of it.
Yeah, shoulders
And
are
like
better
I
and
said,
everything.
it is a very hacky way of doing it, but I mean, I was using the T2A pose thing, and it didn't really help solving the issue. So this is the T2A pose thing, and the hand is still all weird, the shoulders all weird, and then this is the.
Well, with the T2A
legs are
pose,
The hips,
like
the
that
hips are
pose
twisted.
converter only moves the upper arms and the shoulders essentially to try to do the basic pose. It's not curling the fingers like the animation way does, or like see the Ready Player Me armature, which the whole thing is based on, is not even a standard A pose. It's a relaxed A pose, and that's what you sort of need to be in the relaxed A pose. Whereas Banter really should just support the like the standard A pose, T pose, or whatever pose. Like it should just work.
You need to put your megaphone on.
Yeah.
I don't need to.
Well, you do for me.
I mean,
Yeah, I
it
just
depends,
did.
but I don't need to have everything I say recorded.
But anyways, yeah. So this is the warrior pose animation one, and then this is the A pose. So I don't know. Yeah, it did not fix the shoulders. Definitely the shoulders weird, and the hands are weird. So I don't know what that plugin really does.
We can keep playing with it and come up with a better solution. But yeah.
Yeah, because I mean,
For now.
the animation way just works. So this is the warrior idol, and I don't have that weird shoulder anymore, and the hands popper. So I don't know. I tried. But anyways, that pretty much concludes today's session. I hope that was helpful in any way.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yep. And always just make sure you have, when you guys have any questions while building or doing avatar stuff, just utilize the Discord channels, because a lot of really helpful creators in the Banter community would definitely willing to help you out if you are stuck with anything. So, yep, thanks for coming, everybody. We'll see you guys again next week.
Hey, if guys, it's Pi Day.
Thank you. Great class.
And
Thank you,
I
Fire,
built a
for
Pi
helping
Day world. If
me
anybody
yesterday.
wants to come see my Pi Day world,
Yeah, you're welcome.
hop in.
Okay, yeah, Kalima got a Pi Day world for us, and it is Pi Day today, so let's go check it out.
Okay, so I do actually have a question for you, because
Okay,
my
your
ropes are
your
sometimes
microphone.
okay.
There's
My
always room
ropes are
for pie.
sometimes working. Yeah, my ropes are sometimes working and sometimes not working, and I think I've got
Okay.
it in the HTML, but it's got a reference to A-frame. So I was going to try to use that prefab that Aline
Yeah.
has. And I didn't know exactly where it was. I was looking through that late last night. And couldn't
Okay.
find it. And
Well,
then I said,
then since I still have Unity open, I'll quickly show you, so you can still see the
Yeah.
screen, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So all those sample scenes, what you need to do is go to the Window tab, and then Package Management, Package
Right.
Manager, and from there you go to in Project, and you should see the Banter SDK. So you click on that, and then it will have this tab called Samples. So you just wanna, I already have it imported. So you just hit Import,
Basics, all you need for that.
and it will make a new folder here called Samples, Banter SDK, whatever, Basics. And then in here, you go to the Basics. And Basic Scene, you open that, and you should see this thing in the hierarchy called Setup Space Setting VS. So that's basically the entire visual script for setting your different space settings. So enable Spider-Man, that's one of them. So you basically just copy this and then paste it in your other scene. Then you'll be good to go. Yeah.
Okay, and that's the
Did
preferred
that,
method now and not the HTML, right?
Right.
Oh, yes,
Yeah.
use that way.
The HTML
Okay.
doesn't work anymore, really. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, well,
I mean, you
sometimes it
could
does
use the
because
Bootstrap
it-
way, but yeah,
Right.
just another
Depends on
thing.
how
Yeah.
fast it
So
loads.
so right now it's working sometimes. Sometimes the ropes are working and sometimes they're not, which is frustrating. I don't know
Okay.
why it's not either working all the time or all the time not working.
Yeah.
But that's what it is right now. Okay, so I'll play
Yeah,
with that
just
later.
copy
So let
this
me-
into your scene, make sure Spider-Man is on,
Okay.
and that's it. Try that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, well,
All right,
everyone,
so
let's
there's a
check out Kalima's world.